Here we have a 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the wide arch kit. We have the grey exterior paintwork, the daytime running lights. We also have the front lower nudge bar, and there's a look at the front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you find the side steps along the bottom. We have the grey door handles and door mirrors. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the roof rails. We do also have the rear canopy cover. We have rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Visual display inside. Got the smoked tail lights, just take a closer look there. We also have the tow bar, as you can see as well. If you just take a look inside of the back, so just open it up like so, then you'll find we have a decent amount of space. As you can see, large amount of space inside of there to fit whatever you may need. Just closing that back up then, and then if we make our way round to the passenger side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the interior, inside of here you find the half leather interior. We have the contrast of the black and the orange, fixed ISO points and the foldable armrest, electric windows on the doors. Here's a look at the front seats, both of which are heated. Got the WILDTRAK logo as well. Driver's seat is electrically adjustable. Just take a seat inside as it is raining. We do have the electric windows, child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors. We have the automatic wipers, automatic lights as well just down there. Put a foot on the brake and turn the vehicle on. Then the vehicle will turn on, and you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have the two digital screens either side of the dashboard, controlled using the steering wheel. So you can see we can adjust the entertainment, navigation and the phone. We also have the other options as well on this side. As you can see, we can flick through the trip computer. We have the digital speedo just there. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre. As you can see, we do have plenty of features on here, all running across the bottom that you would have seen on the photos. Further down from there you find the climate control, as called air conditioning. We have the heated seats as well on either side. As you can see, all working as they should do. Two 12-volt connectivities, two USB ports. We have the traction control button, hill descent control. We also have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings. Automatic gearbox, of course. Got the cup holders in the centre, the manual handbrake and the leather armrest. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. And as you can see, I'm now have to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the volume buttons and the phone connectivity on the left hand side. We also have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the right. We have the two digital screens either side of the dashboard, which can show different bits of information that we've seen on the photos and also the walk around video. Again, that is controlled using each side of the steering wheel. If you do listen carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the half leather interior throughout this vehicle, very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings, and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, again adding to that comfort level. We do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, Android Auto and much more. Below there we have the climate control with the as-called air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox as well. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down and then wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn. So make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes. As you can see, stops very well. Carry on just like normal, no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.